Hello friends, happy Sunday to all. So in this video I would like to discuss about how to revise company accounts and audit paper number 12 within 24 days for your December 2020 examinations. Okay, so as you know there are section A and section B, two sections. Section A is for accounts of joint stock companies and section B is for auditing. Section B for auditing. Okay, and each section carries 50 marks. Each section carries 50 marks. Accounts of joint stock company also 50 marks. And auditing also 50 marks. Okay, so in section A, that is accounts of joint stock company, there are 5 story note. Story note 1, accounting of shares and debenture. Then presentation of financial statement as per schedule number 3. Then story note number 3, cash flow statement. Then story note number 4, accounts of banking, electricity and insurance company. And then story note number 5, accounting standards. Okay, so 5 story notes, and the first story note is accounting of shares and debenture. There are 85 pages and it will take maximum 5 days to complete and also revision. Okay, buyback of shares, issue of share, right issue of share, bonus issue. Then what do you mean by sweet equity shares? Then forfeitures of shares, buyback of shares, then issue and redemption of reference shares, debentures, then underwriting of shares and debenture. Okay, so all the topics are very important, and there are 85 pages and it will take 5 days to complete. Then study note number 2, that is presentation of financial statement as per schedule number 3. There are 7 pages and it will take maximum 2 days if you sincerely study. Maximum 2 days need to complete. There are introduction and presentation of financial statement, then statement of profit and loss account, then balance sheet. Okay, 7 pages are there and it will take at least 2 days to complete and also revision. Then story note number 3, that is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement, how to maintain and how to record cash flow statement. Again, there are 27 pages and it will take at least 3 days to complete. If you read it sincerely, 3 days need to be uh, required for revision. Cash flow statement, meaning of cash and cash equivalent, then types of cash flow, then Ind AS 7. Okay, then story note number 5, accounts of banking, electricity and insurance company. There are 45 pages in this story note, and 4 days required, at least 4 days required to complete and also for revision. There are accounts of banking company, available accounts of banking company, then accounts of electricity company, then accounts of insurance company. Okay, then story note number 5, accounting standards, very important. Accounting standards, there are 29 pages and it will take at least 2 days to complete. There are accounting for the changes in foreign exchange rates. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 most important accounting standards. Accounting for changes in the foreign exchange rates, accounting for government grants, then accounting for employee benefits, then borrowing cost, then segment reporting, then accounting standard related party disclosure, then accounting for leases. Okay, so in this way There are 29 pages and it will take at least 2 days to complete, and also for revision. Okay, so and uh, then section B, that is auditing, and it will carry 50 marks. There are, you know, two major study notes. First one is account auditing concept, then study note number 6 auditing concept, and study note number 7, that is provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013. Provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013. ये जो पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेचुइटी एक्ट 1972 लिखा हुआ है, ये wrongly mentioned here. So it is provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013. And uh, there are 36 pages of study note number 7, that is provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013, and it will take at least 4 days to complete. There are you need to read about auditors qualifications, disqualifications, appointment, remuneration, removal, powers and duties, then cost audit, secretarial audit, how to conduct cost audit and secretarial audit, then reporting requirement under Companies Act versus report versus certificate, contents of the reports and qualification in the report, and miscellaneous audit. Okay, so and in auditing concept there are 39 pages and it will take 4 days to complete, and also for revision. Nature, scope and significance of audit, then audit engagement, audit program and audit working papers, then audit notebook, audit evidence and audit report, then internal check, internal control, internal audit, industry specific. Okay, so this is it, all about how to revision company accounts and audit. So paper number 12 within 24 days. 5 days is for study note number 1, that is accounting of shares and debenture. Then study note 2, presentation of financial statement as per schedule 3, it will take 2 days to complete. Then study note number 3, that is cash flow statement, it will take at least 3 days to complete, because there are 27 number of pages. Then accounts for banking, electricity and insurance company, study note number 4, it will take 4 days to complete, there are 45 numbers of pages. Then study note number 5, accounting standard, there are 29 pages, and again it will take 2 days to complete. Okay, accounting for changes in foreign exchange rates, AS11, AS12 accounting for government grants, then AS15 accounting for employee benefits, AS16 borrowing cost, AS17 segment reporting, AS18 accounting standard related party disclosure, AS19 accounting for leases. All the accounting standards are very important. You need to remember all the accounting standards as per this paper. Okay, AS11 is for accounting for the changes in foreign exchange rates, then AS12 accounting for government grant, then AS15 accounting for employee benefits, then AS16 is for borrowing cost, then AS17 is for segment reporting, then AS18 is for accounting standard related party disclosure, then AS19 is for accounting for leases. Okay, and in this way section B, that is auditing carries 50 marks, and there are two main study notes. Study note number 6, that is auditing concept, and study note number 7, that is provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013. Okay, and study note number 6, that is auditing concept, it will take 4 days to complete. There are 39 pages. Nature, scope and significance of audit, auditing, audit engagement, audit program and audit working papers, then audit notebook, audit evidence and audit report, then internal check, internal control, internal audit, industry specific. Then in study note number 7, that is provision relating to audit under Companies Act 2013, you need to read about auditors qualifications, disqualifications, appointment, remuneration, removal, powers and duties, cost audit and secretarial audit, reporting requirements under Companies Act, a report versus certificate, contents of the reports and qualification in the report, then miscellaneous audit. Okay, so in this way only 24 days need to complete and also need for revision uh, for your December 2020 examination. So read it well and you will secure 60 marks easily. Okay, focus upon MCQ also, multiple choice question, and also in auditing section, because all the theory is very important for score well. So this is it all about company accounts and audit, a revision strategy. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.